Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the fairy achievements from the mini achievements here. So I have 1, 2, 3, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, actually I've done that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So the first one, you'll need to harvest 10 glimmering plants. I think that's easy, and I think these are all easy. So you'll need to harvest 10, 50, and 100. And then you'll need to craft 10 glimmering sprays, which I think I need to do that. You'll need mangoes. So let me just collect some and let's teleport to the crafting table. Okay, hold on, let me get the recolorant here. So here, as you can see, there is the glimmering mutation spray. You'll need a cleaning spray. You'll need 1 tulip seed. You'll need 1 daffodil seed, and you'll need mango. Craft it. It takes 15 minutes to do so, and you'll need to craft 10, so just do the math. I don't know. And then next, you will need to craft 15 fairy nests. This one's also fairly easy. It takes 30 seconds to craft it. You'll need to craft 1 fairy summoner. I think you craft it in the middle here as well. Actually, not sure. Hold on. Fairy summoner. You'll need a fairy jar, a fairy net, and a fairy power extender. So you're going to want to craft this first, but you'll need to craft this one first to craft. So craft this one first, and then this, and then the fairy summoner. How many do we need to craft? Okay, we'll need to craft 1. That's good. And then you'll need to hatch 15 enchanted eggs, and then 30. You'll need to hatch an imp at least 1.2. You'll need to hatch a pixie less than 1 kilo. I haven't gotten that one yet. And then this one, it is a little bit hard, but if you have a friend who's lucky enough to get this, they can just give that to you. You don't need to hatch it. You'll need to just obtain it. So they can give it to you, and then you can return it to them back if you don't have it yet. I have not gotten it yet, so if anybody would kindly just let me borrow this pet, thank you very much, because I really want that fairy fence. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Hopefully I get it, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.